Alright, so we have a Samsung dishwasher. Now the issue with this unit, the wash arm, the upper wash arm is off. Now, they're usually threaded on, so you can't just buy the wash arm. It comes as a complete assembly. So you want to start by removing the lower wash arm and 2 tabs. Just be mindful when you pull those. Comes off, set that aside. You do have 2 Phillips screws, mainly one, but I take out both. And as you can see, the wash arm does not fit. It is damaged. Both of them are damaged, actually. So they mate together. Now, to remove the manifold, you have tabs on each of the sides, and you want to push them out slowly. Use a flat blade or just use your fingers and push them. Now, the top one is a little tricky. Just take your time with it. Don't push too hard. And it comes down. You will see it. There it goes. All right. And pretty much the same way when you put the new one in. Now, you want to clean your dishwasher behind the manifold. Make sure you get all the debris and whatnot out so that you don't put it back with it being dirty. Now, I didn't show the removal at the bottom, but it pops right up. Nothing to it. You will see when I put it back in, it's not bad. Now, under the manifold, you will have some food debris, junk. As you can see how this one goes on. Perfect. Now I like to start kind of at the bottom just to get the bottom in. And you slowly lift the tab on the red spray arm. And once it slides under, you just push down. And you do have 2 screws. You got to put those in, but you can put those in after. Align everything. Snap it in. Make sure the ends are snapped in. They do. Sometimes you have to push up, slide, wiggle, just to make sure they seat properly. And then the wash arm, upper wash arm, snaps in just the same. Just pay attention. Make sure that everything is in. Double check your work. And pretty much now what we have is the bottom with the Phillips screws. Put those in. I always like to double check everything. And then you have your 2 screws. Be gentle, don't over tighten. And double check your screens. Make sure your screen and filter on your dishwasher are nice and clean. Push down on that and it snaps. And you can time to use your dishwasher. I will leave a link to citric acid. It is great for cleaning dishwashers. It leaves them nice and brand new. Clean your seal under your door. Make sure those are nice and clean. And time to put your rack in. Pretty straightforward. And by the way, you remove it in the same fashion. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. Beautiful. Just make sure that to spin these arms and they spin freely without touching before you actually start the dishwasher, because if not, there's a good chance that you could actually